So, good evening, everyone, and I welcome all of you here in another session of Let's Talk Live to make this session very interactive, exciting, and very wonderful. Please give your good response and try to stay till the end of the session. So, we will make this session very nicely. Yeah. So, in today's session, what we will do actually, I will give some situation based condition between two person that they have to make a small conversation in first round, and if we have some more time, then we will discuss some sentence practices. So let's begin with today's session, and initially I want to call two member. So first is Suman ma'am, and other is Pooja ma'am.
Sir.
Both are you free?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to play a role. Let me guess a situation for you. Mm. Okay, so you have to make a controversial like conversation. Suppose that Suman ma'am and Pooja ma'am, you both are living in a society. Okay, and that society has given a water bore, water ball will what we say. So you all are taking water from there, but unfortunately, um, Pooja ma'am, her turn went gone. Okay, and Suman ma'am, she's standing in her turn. Okay, she was filling the water, but till then, Pooja ma'am she came appeared there, and she tried to speak with Suman ma'am like I want to take some water because I am a little bit late. But Suman ma'am she denied that it's my turn. I am waiting from last long hours. So I will take this time. So like you have to make a small conversation, and then you can also make some controversial thing. You can just fight together if you want. Okay. So is it good or not?
Yes, sir.
But sir, little bit because in
Yeah,
this topic not
not
more
more.
conversation, I think.
Not yes. You are right, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's suppose that इसी में मैं कुछ चेंज कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है. तो सुमन मैम शी इज लिविंग इन सोसाइटी, and the society borewell has broken somehow. Okay, so it is not working. So she directly called to the in
Number.
panchayat. हाँ, yes, customer care helpline number that borewell is not working. So uh, Pooja ma'am have to perform the role of that customer care. Okay, so is it good?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So, yeah, so you can make a small conversation.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
My area doorbell is broken, so you check. So after that, you repair my doorbell
So,
because I am facing lots of problem in water problem. So that's you solve now.
so may I know, ma'am, which area water problem? Please tell me what is area you live.
Yeah. Oh, I live in Salimar area, so that's why this area 7/1. So that's my address. You
Okay,
check.
so ma'am, yes, I check. So ma'am, please tell me how long this you face this problem?
In morning, a morning say at 6 o'clock. So I thinking that morning, yeah, not in problem. So yeah, but 2 hours not get a proper watering and broken my so many lots of problem in bathing and washroom and everything household. No,
So
so
this
you
is
solve.
ma'am first time or many times?
No, no, this is first time.
Okay.
First time I had this problem.
Okay. This type problem you face first time in your
Yes.
area.
Yes.
So, but ma'am, no, in your area only you are complaining. No another one complain. So how
But
to solve this problem? Because you know that if you want to government engineer for our repairing that
not, ma'am.
this yeah.
You are right. Not any member is call, na. So I am on in honor
Yes,
area
ma'am.
one's secretary. So that's why I'm calling you, because every
Okay.
person in tell me, so yeah, this problem you solve problem. So that's why na I am call you. One person come after that search. So yeah, you tell na everything.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, you know that I am tell you process for calling a plumber. Actually, first of all, you write a letter for this
But
problem.
ma'am, not
And
got time
you
now because
sign
water
on
is
paper every
no,
member
ma'am.
who live in your society.
Okay, no, ma'am, but is not in water is most important in every person. So I am first I write letter and आपको देना give a letter. After that you work in water solve. So not good na. You go solve.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yeah
can
I
understand. Yes, yes. I understand your problem, but you know this is a government work. So for a government
no,
process,
ma'am.
you
I
have
am
to write letter.
absolutely. I am right, and later and you I give, but you solve because it's
No,
most
first of
important.
all,
Water is most
no, you.
not in my home because yeah in building my building no another 5 building include na, so lots of why you are managed, every person is managed.
Yeah,
You
ma'am, I
tell
can understand, but try to understand. Please write a letter and sign, and you send me on WhatsApp.
okay, I am send one letter, but I
Yeah,
am telling
because
you
after
first,
that,
you
process
no, I
will
am everything
start.
in yeah in later, and you tell up everything I am मतलब I do, but you first of all you um, भेजना कर ये give कल plumber, so that's will solve my problem.
Same.
After that हाँ, so yeah, okay ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. But I told you for a government, according to government authority, you have to write a letter and you sign on living who live members in your society. After that, process will start for a plumbing.
No, ma'am, because I am telling you, I am everything. I first of all, everything I process, I do, but you solve my problem because water is most
Yes, yes,
important
yes.
for every
After that,
person. In a
yeah.
no to no, I not
After
in
that, I
what
will
in not
start.
cook because many house, many little child, na. So lots of work. So you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
that,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yeah, I can understand. Okay, ma'am. Please send me a letter, and after that I will process.
Okay, yes, yes, of course. I just send one letter, and every person is a Einstein. So yeah, you are right. But you first of all you solve my problem. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Okay, thank you for support me.
Thank you for calling. Okay.
Okay, okay. Done.
Very nice. Very nice, ma'am. First time I saw Suman ma'am's confidence here while speaking. Very aggressive and uses very good vocab also. I think it is a peak level of conversation you have made, Suman ma'am and Pooja ma'am as well.
Thank you, sir.
It was really a nice conversation, man. I appreciate your effort for today's session. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Sarita ma'am, you can speak.
Yeah, I want to say for Suman ma'am, really you have rocked for today, and
Because
really I think you are
yeah,
good.
because you and every person support me. So thank you. You and Sumit sir and Yogesh sir and my also Let's Talk Live person. So
And
every person.
really, ma'am, no, it's your efforts, ma'am. You have shown that really you are working on yourself. It's good. Thank you, ma'am. You are working on yourself.
Thank you.
Your conversion. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. So, in second person, I would like to call Sumita ma'am. Will you participate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, you and now, Sumit sir.
Okay, sir.
Sumit sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So you just have to make a conversation. Actually, Sumit sir, you are the owner of hospital, any hospital. Okay. And some scam and crime is corruption is happening in your hospital, and you are also involved in that case. Okay. So you are taking unnecessary bill from patients, like poor patients. Okay, you are taking advantages from there, and even the patient he is got died, but still you are making like forcing patient to make a bill, just telling lies to them. Okay, so just kind of corruption is happening in your hospital. But Smita ma'am, meanwhile, Sumita ma'am, she will appeared, and she had made a plan. She knows the actuality of your hospital, like what you are doing. So what she will do, she will get a, actually she got a dead body from somewhere, from poor people. Okay, dead body that is already dead. So she is taking that dead body to the your hospital. Okay, and then she's saying to you that please take care the patient, it is very serious. that that person is already dead, but still she is trying to speak with you. Okay, so you are just asking her that okay, we will check it. Till then you just fill 2 lakh rupees for just admission fees and that blah blah other fees. Okay, so you are taking unnecessary. So how now Sumita ma'am will मीन्स वो कैसे पर्दाफाश करेगी आपके हॉस्पिटल का. सो you just both have to make a conversation here.
Okay,
It is a
got it.
scene of Gabbar movie. If you have seen, so you will remember it. Okay.
Got it.
Yes. So Sumita ma'am, you got it?
I will try, sir.
Aha, yes. Yes, please try.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good
ahead.
evening, sir. May I come in?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, sure. Why not? Please come, ma'am.
Sir, my patient is very serious.
Please have a seat.
Please
Please have a
help
seat,
me.
ma'am. Yeah, please have a seat first.
Yes. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
My
What are you
patient
saying?
is very serious, but he's unable to pay too much money. He hasn't any money, sir. Please help us.
Yeah, sure. I will help. For that, we are here. Okay. So don't think so much for the money. Have you discussed with anyone doctor of my hospital? Have you made conversation with them? Means, did you discuss it with anyone or not? Just ensure me.
Yes, already I discussed on medicine doctor, but
No,
he's
I'm
not
talking about
response me.
I'm talking about my hospital doctor who are
Yes,
serving, who are
your hospital, sir. Your hospital.
okay. Then what he
But
replied to you?
I don't know why he respond me. I don't know.
Okay, he didn't respond you properly, I think. Right?
Pardon, sir?
No, I'm saying he didn't reply you properly.
Yes, sir. Not
This is this.
reply. Yes, sir.
Okay, so sorry for that. Apologize for that. Please come with me. And where is your patient? Actually, please ensure me first. Where is your patient?
Okay, sir. I will go with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
please. Yeah, let me know.
Sir,
Where is your patient?
He's my patient.
Okay. Really, it's a serious condition and critical condition. We have to admit in ICU first because like very less time are there for provide base treatment for him. So anyhow, we have to admit him first in the ICU. Thereafter, we will come to discuss about the payment and each and everything. Okay. Till then, no need to worry for it.
Okay.
I'll handle each and everything. Okay. So
But
finally, I admitted. Mhm.
But already I told you, sir, we are a poor person. Please,
All
you
right. All
us.
right. No worry. I will help you. There are the lots of the government policies are there as well. You have to only proceed that the process through which also I can get my
Government policy.
payment
I have no
and
LIC, sir. I have no mediclaim.
the
I
health
have
insurance.
no
I can
LIC.
understand. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it that okay, I got it that you don't have money, but still I have to give treatment to your patient. All right, no issue. And also you ensure that you don't have any health insurance and life insurance. All right,
Yes,
no
sir.
issue.
Sorry
I'm
to
not going to
interrupt
do.
you. Samir sir,
Mhm,
no, you
mhm.
don't have to speak politely. You just have to that. Have you submitted the admitted fees or not? So she will speak. Yes, I have submitted. So
Okay.
the patient is already dead. You are corrupted, sir. So that you have to
Yes.
make a behavior. Okay. So
Mhm,
don't be polite.
mhm,
You have to be very strict and you have to
mhm.
ask for the money and money. And she will call in the lastly in the last she will call to the police and police will like encounter you that patient is already dead and they have the bill of that. But why you are saying that you have not treated it? Okay, so like that you have to make.
Okay, got it. Got it. Ma'am, after when police will catch me, na, thereafter, please come for the bail as well thereafter. Please. Otherwise,
What,
who
sir?
will. Okay. Okay. So please come with the conversation. Please start.
Yes. I, I already told you. Please, you inquiry your hospital. Your hospital is not good.
Ma'am, we are serving our label based, top level of treatment to the patient. Don't say the such words
You
that we are
just
not
see,
giving
sir.
good treatment to the patient. Okay,
No
where is your
one
patient?
came
First
here.
admit him.
But
First admit him in
no
the.
one came here, sir. Nobody
Mhm,
came here. Not only doctors,
mhm,
nurse also, sir. Why, sir?
mhm.
We are we are already men, sir. Human beings, sir. We are.
Already treatments are going on in each rooms of the hospital. Don't say like this and don't try to make wrong conversation over here among the people. Lots of the people are there who are paying attention on us. Please go and sit
But
at your position
but
and at your
sir,
place.
the patient are a very rich person. No, we are
Mhm.
not rich. Already, I
Got it.
honestly said to you.
So why are you going to make such conversation with me here on counter? Have you
You are a
paid your
founder,
the
no?
fees required?
You are a
Okay, have
founder
you?
in this
So I'm
hospital.
not here for such conversation. I'm not here for such that kind of conversation. Have you paid your amount, initial amount, first
Yes,
phase
why not?
amount?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you
I
submitted?
already paid.
Then please go
But
and sit.
now I
Please
have no
go
money,
on.
sir. I already
Okay,
paid. You
I'm
just
not
see, sir,
talking about.
paper.
You have to arrange your money from anywhere. I don't know from where you will
I already
arrange
arranged,
your
sir.
money
But
because we are not going to just like operate this hospital, and we are not going to serve the our treatment
how
to the
can I?
patient in free of
So
cost.
how can
Also,
I
I have to say
cooperate?
to
You
the doctor, ma'am.
already I cooperate 2 days, sir.
Hmm.
Already cooperate. I think you are anyone can not help us, sir. It's not
Mhm.
good.
So
If
what do you want?
you are
I have
not,
to help
no,
you.
no, sir.
What do you think?
No,
What do
I
you
have
want actually? I have to
now.
help
I
you.
have no
I'm
patience,
not going
sir.
to help you.
I
I'm not
have
going to
no
help you, and I
patience.
don't have time to go for such conversation. Okay, please leave from here. Otherwise, I have lots of things to do and complete that thing. So I'm not
If
here for
you
such.
are not, sir, if you are not fair with me, if you are not,
Already,
then
I told
I will
you many
complain.
a
I will
times.
complain.
Already, I
Sorry to
Call
told
in
interrupt
you
a,
you.
many a
I call in
times.
a police,
No,
sir. I call in a police.
you are going in
Mhm.
the wrong direction,
Okay.
ma'am. Now I told you that the person is already dead, but still Sumit sir
But
as
I
a.
don't know. Patient is dead.
No, you don't. You know, na. You know. You can't say that you don't know. You know. Now you are calling to the
Okay,
police, and
okay,
police
okay,
will
sir.
encounter that the person is already dead, but instead of that, he asked for the money. Okay. So now police will caught him, or like what
Okay,
you
okay,
have to
okay, sir.
ask the
Okay,
money. Yeah.
okay. Sir, I call
Yep.
in a police. because my patient already dead.
It's your problem. You can call
No,
anyone. I don't have fear for this, okay? But you think, and
I
please
cannot
hardly
give
request you.
you one
Okay,
pie
hardly
money. I
request
cannot
you to
give
you
you.
first complete
I
your
cannot
payment
give you.
all round. There are the 4
No,
round of the
I cannot
payment.
give, sir. I
Complete
cannot
that
give.
all
It's
4
not
round of
possible
the
for
payments.
me. Now I
Already
am suffering very.
we have
No,
given
sir.
our
I am
100%
suffering
for seeing your
miserable
patient.
condition.
Okay, so you can complete whatever you want, na? Please
Yes,
go with that and
I
do
call in
it
a
by
police.
yourself. I'm also here. Yeah,
Yes,
okay. Then
yes, sir.
please, yeah, leave away from here. Leave away from here. Don't stay here. Okay, this time, leave away from
Yes,
here
sir.
and come with the police. And
Yes.
also I will see the police what will do
Hello,
with
police
you.
station. Sumit Nursing Home. It's a very corrupted nursing home. Please help me.
Okay, but how can you say like this that I'm a very corrupted person?
I will. Yes, sir.
How can
I
you
have
say now? Because
many.
already
I have many proofs.
do you know, since last 1 week we are giving treatment to your patient and you have completed only 2 round of payment. Already we have spent
I
each and
already
everything.
payment, sir.
Already 2
Well,
round na? Only 2
already
round of
done.
payment.
Sir,
method.
you have
But
also
rest of 2 round,
person.
what will, who will do?
We
Who
all
will
are
pay me?
human, sir.
Do you know na? This is private hospital. If you want to get such base treatment, then you came here to admit your patient. But if you
It's
just
not
like
a good
want to
treatment,
get,
sir.
then also
Already
if
patient
you
dead. Already
if you
patient dead.
are
You just
unable
think, sir.
to if you are unable
You
to
just think.
just like get such high level of treatment, if you are unable to take, then please go in the government hospital. Now why did you came here, why did you come here to admit your patient in my hospital?
You just think,
If you
sir,
want, then
patient
go
wife.
in the government.
She is already
Sir,
down
I
cost.
don't want.
sorry to interrupt you, but time is getting over, so you can just cover
Okay,
it
okay, sir.
in 1
Okay,
minute. You can take 1 more minute to
okay,
complete it.
Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay, so from my side, everything is over. And what, please go and discuss with your police person. What is he saying?
It's
I will
already
submit
police
each
came,
and
sir.
every
Already
expenses.
police came.
I will
And
submit from my side.
I have
I will
many
submit each
proofs.
and every expenses,
Yes,
whatever I
yes,
have
sir.
here. So yeah, also
I
I will
already
deal with them.
submit.
You can go this
I
time. You can
already
go with your
everything.
patient.
I already
and
everything WhatsApp in police station, sir. Don't
You
worry.
can go with your patient. Okay, you can go with your patient. I will
Yes,
submit
I can
the
go,
report.
sir. I can go.
Complete
But
it,
you
sir.
also
Complete
go to jail.
Yeah. Okay.
Complete, sir. You can go to jail, sir.
Okay. Actually, sir, sorry to say, but I maybe from my side I couldn't make you understand properly. But my situation थोड़ा अलग था. Situation था कि जैसे सुमित सर को हॉस्पिटल में एक करप्टेड मतलब डॉक्टर का रोल करना है. फिर जैसे पेशेंट ऑलरेडी डेड रहता है, वो मैडम उस डेड बॉडी को ले जाके वहाँ मतलब हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कराती है कि वो देखना चाहती है कि वो उस चीज का बिल बनाते हैं कि नहीं बनाते हैं. तो वहां पे हाँ, तो वो बिल
but sir,
फर्जी बिल बना देते हैं. सुनिए मैम, वो फर्जी बिल बना देते हैं. उसके बाद में ट्रीटमेंट चलता रहता है और आखिरकार वो बोल देते हैं कि डेड बॉडी मतलब पर्सन वो डेड हो चुका है. ठीक है. और उनकी जेब से 3-4 लाख रुपए ऑलरेडी उसमें वो सबमिट करवा देते हैं. ठीक है. उसके बाद में क्या होता है कि पुलिस को बुलाते हैं, पुलिस वेरीफाई करती है और आपके पास वो पहले से ही उसका रिसिप्ट रहता है कि पर्सन ऑलरेडी डेड है, वो एक दिन पहले का रहता है. ठीक है. तो आप वो दिखा के उसको डॉक्टर को धमकाते हो, यू हैव टू गिव द मनी लाइक 50 लाख रुपीज टू मी, अदरवाइज आई विल डिस्क्लोज दिस मैटर टू एवरीवन, यू विल गेट इनसाइड द जेल. ओके. सो इस प्रकार का एक कन्वर्सेशन था. बट आपने you also tried well to speak. You made like almost 70-80% you have covered up. So good effort. And also we saw the Sumita ma'am energy power for today. She was in the mood to quarrel with Sumit sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Yogesh sir, one line.
Sumit Nursing
This story
Home.
na-
Sumit
हाँ.
Nursing
No,
Home.
I am telling you, Sumit sir, this story is true because my nearby one hospital, so this story is true
Okay.
in private hospital. Yeah,
Okay.
in person is dead in a 124 hour ago, but not in.
Ma'am, if you want to see the
Yeah.
same scenario, so you can just watch the Gabbar movie. Okay, that
Yes.
scenario will be available on that movie, so you
Yes,
can
yes.
get an idea.
Yeah, not in movie, sorry. This is
It
true
is also
story. Yeah,
reality.
yes, reality. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So now,
मैंने
So,
मूवी नहीं देखा सर,
hmm,
क्योंकि अपने लाइफ
okay.
से थोड़ा तजुर्बा है
Hmm.
इसलिए.
Okay, actually we have shortage of time, so I would like to move to the next member. So now I would like to call Sarita ma'am and the next member, Pritima ma'am. Pritima ma'am, will you participate? Hello?
You are not audible, Pratima ma'am.
Okay.
क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, I think. Network issue. Okay, I will ask you the separate topic or anything. So, Keva ma'am, she also left. Let me call her. She left, na? Pratima ma'am, till then you can confirm like your network is good or not. No, it is not good.
You join again. Pratima ma'am, try to join again.
Hello.
Hello,
Now you are able.
you are
Now,
able to speak. Is it, can you participate or not? Please confirm, ma'am. Pratima ma'am.
unmute
आ
yourself.
रहा है. Hello.
Yes. You are audible now. You are audible. But can you speak single line or something?
She has also left.
Okay. So what to do? I have to give separate.
Yes, whatever. It's your wish.
Okay, I give you the separate topic. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's as you are teacher. So what kind of difficulty you face while teaching students? What fear you have as being a teacher? Because teacher is a very good personality that can.
Pratima has joined. Pratima ma'am has joined.
Pratima
Hello.
ma'am, are you?
Yes,
Can you speak?
yes, sir.
Okay, so will you participate or not? Please confirm. So मतलब सरिता मैम के साथ में आप मतलब एक कन्वर्सेशन करोगे ना?
Yes, yes. Yeah, try ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Then
Online.
it's
Try.
okay. अगर आपको अटकते हो तो आप हिंदी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, नॉट एन इशू, बट यू हैव टू स्पीक समथिंग. ओके, अगर आपको कहीं अटक जाते हो तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इंग्लिश में ही बोलना, आप हिंदी में यूज कर सकते हो एज यू आर बिगनर हियर. सो यू वी आर अलाउइंग. ओके, नॉट एन इशू. सो आपका एक कन्वर्सेशन रहेगा. ठीक है. तो सरिता मैम फाइनली सी हैड डिसाइडेड टू बाय ए न्यू कार. ओके, मतलब सरिता मैम ने एक नया कार लेने का प्लान किया है. तो वो एक शोरूम में विजिट करेगी. वहां
Sir,
पे
I don't know about the car. Name also I don't know.
अरे यार. ओके, सो आई शुड चेंज द टॉपिक.
Yes.
हेयर कट ब्यूटी पार्लर का तो कुछ आइडिया होगा ना?
Yes.
Okay, so Sarita ma'am, she is going to beauty parlor. She had made some plan that I will do whatever, like I have no idea from my side, but what she
Acha.
want to do, because you both are like ladies, so you can manage the things that you can start a conversation. और प्रतिमा मैम, आपको एक रोल पे करना है. एक जो ब्यूटी पार्लर का ओनर रहोगे आप, तो आप सहिता मैम आपको बोलेगी कि आपका मतलब उनका हेयर कट भी करना है, फेशियल भी करना है, और समथिंग जो भी उनको करना है वो आपसे कांटेक्ट करेगी. और आप उनको बोलोगे कि आपको कितना क्या रखना है, क्या नहीं रखना है. तो आपको यू हैव टू मेक ए कन्वर्सेशन. So I think it would be good. Sarita ma'am. हाँ, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट मैम. पहले आपको कॉल करना है, कॉल करके अपॉइंटमेंट लेना है, देन यू विल गो टू देयर and you can ask like your queries to him to her, so she will speak. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. So I'm ringing her. I'm calling her. Hello.
Hello.
Is it Pratima Beauty Parlor?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
Pratima.
Yeah, I want to take appointment.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so at what time you are free? At what time should I come there? Yeah, please let me know at what time should I come there. I have to do facial, eyebrow, all and bleach also, and some hairstyle also. I will
Yeah,
come with my.
sure. Why not?
Yeah. Okay. So tell me the time, because one bride, she is also with me. She wants to ask something, because there is a wedding in my home.
Okay.
Okay. So can I come at 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yes, ma'am. 12
Yeah.
12 o'clock p.m. and 12 p.m. clock to
Yeah. I
5.
will come. Then I will talk with you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Hello, Pratima ma'am. So are you the owner here? Are you the
Yes,
beautician that works?
yes, I am owner in
Okay,
beautician.
so thank you, ma'am. I have to get many things like facial, bleaching, haircut. I want to get like step cut, haircut, and yeah, these are things for today I want to get. And she is my sister, and her marriage is in the 15 days, after 15 days. So we want to know some like charge of bridal makeup. Hello, ma'am.
We
You are
are
not
beauty
audible.
parlor, facial
Yeah.
300 and hair cutting 500 and
Mm-hmm.
bridal facial 10,000.
Okay. Okay. So you do my today, and for bridal makeup you will have to come in our home. Would it be good
Yeah,
for you?
sure.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you, ma'am. So first, you tell me like which type of cream you are going to use on my face. I have oily face.
Okay.
I have oily skin texture of my skin, so that's why I'm asking which type of cream you are going to use or facial. What you do in your facial?
And you used to Lotus herbal cream?
Okay, you will use lotus.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. And what about the bleach?
blueberry.
Okay, yeah, that's it. So, do you think it will suit on my face?
Your face to according. Uh,
Mhm.
your face to according Cetaphil face wash and cream and
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So, yeah, you can start. Okay, so you have completed. And okay, so tell me, ma'am, what type of hairstyle suits on my face?
your face to haircut multi-step and 3-step.
Okay, okay, so You can do that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we have completed that also. Wow, ma'am, really. I didn't feel any hurt or anything. I felt very nice. Your hands are also moving very nicely and soft. Thank you. I will come again and again. And really, for your parlor, I will recommend to my friends also.
Thank you.
Mm. Okay, so this is your. So means. Will you accept Google Pay, online or cash? Because I don't have so much cash.
Only Google Pay.
Yeah, okay, then
Online.
thank you.
Online payment.
Okay, so I will, yeah, that I done from my side. So, ma'am, tell me like on 20th March, we need that bridal makeup, okay? So,
Okay.
before that, she will have to come for facial. How many days before she will come? So, please let me know.
Wedding before facial 2
Mm-hmm.
days.
2 days, okay. Yeah, okay, sure. So, will you come to our home or she will come here?
When your wedding, sister?
I told you 20th March, not 20
I'm coming
February.
what?
20 February.
Okay, I'm done. I'm coming for 28 March.
20 February we have wedding
Oh,
of
sorry.
my sister.
I'm coming. Sorry, I will come
Hmm.
28
On
February.
18th. 18th. You will have to come on
Okay,
18th.
18 February.
Okay. So can you take our number or you just give us card of this parlor?
Oh, yeah, sure. Why not?
Hmm. So for that, should we have to book or means like we have to submit some money before or after that? After all work, we can pay.
Before paying 200.
Okay, before that we have to pay 200. Okay, sure. Yeah. So I am also paying for that with this only. Okay. So now
Okay.
we have done. Thank
Yeah.
you. And really, I liked your assistance. Thank you very much. I will come and I will recommend for your parlor to my friends also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
Yeah. So, Yogesh sir, we have completed.
Yeah, very nice. Actually, I did not hear completely, but like in starting and in last, I heard the things that you are very like very talkative in case of like beauty when we speak.
I don't know. I just made it. I don't know so much.
Yes, you have many more ideas.
She got
Yes,
ready for advertisement of her beauty parlor. Finally, she got
right.
picked up.
I don't have parlor.
Yeah,
She told me time
but
that she told
I
me
just made her comfortable to
social.
speak more.
that is a good thing, ma'am. And really, like
So, Latina
day
mom,
by day, she will
feel free. Feel
speak and she will
free.
get confidence.
Yogesh sir
Once,
have good business in parlor.
yes, I will
Right.
start and I will call Sarita ma'am for advertisement.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
but
Right.
you can
I will
also get
become your model
first
of the parlor. Model
model. What kind of model?
means your beautician can work on me and can take me as a model. I will
Your
do
your poster will be
catwalk.
there in my
I will
shop.
do. Uh,
Mm,
I will do catwalk.
yes, your poster will be there, and
Yeah,
in
thank you.
Insta promotion, whatever the business related work will be there on just your profile only. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Eh?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
continue. Mhm.
Yeah. So nice, ma'am. Thank you, all of you member. And now we have 10 minutes left, so we can start some sentence practice. I just give the
Yes.
sequence to every member. So first
Mhm.
Sarita ma'am, then Suman ma'am, and then Sumit sir, and the fourth number is Pratima ma'am, and then Sumita ma'am. Okay.
Mm.
Have you got your sequence?
Yes, sir.
After whom, number?
After Suman ma'am, third number.
Okay, now got it.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sumit sir, be here.
These
हाँ,
days he's
right?
not focusing at all.
No.
Okay.
Completely I'm in this session. It's not
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
okay.
मेरा
Yeah.
सेंटेंस है, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, मैंने जब तुमसे बात किया तो तुमने मुझे रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं दिया?
When I talk to you, why didn't you reply?
सॉरी, मैंने भी थोड़ा गलत बोल दिया सेंटेंस.
Okay.
मैंने जब सॉरी, हाँ, मैंने जब तुमसे बात करने की कोशिश करी तो तुमने मुझे इग्नोर क्यों किया?
When I try to talk with you, why did you ignore me?
When I tried to talk to you,
Yeah.
why did you ignore me? Yeah, very nice. So second sentence है, आजकल पुलिस सॉरी सुमन मैम का टर्न है ना. ओके, सो पुलिस ने आरोपी को जाने दिया. सुमन मैम,
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
पुलिस ने आरोपी को जाने दिया.
Police arrest the आरोपी
नहीं,
को.
जाने दिया, उसको जाने दिया.
Okay, police let the आरोपी को क्या कहते हैं?
क्रिमिनल.
Criminal. Yes.
Police let the criminal go.
Yes.
Okay, very nice, but okay, it's fine. Okay, so next sentence है, मैं कुछ सालों से तुम्हारा पीछा कर रहा हूँ.
मैं कुछ सालों से तुम्हारा पीछे कर रहा हूँ. I have been chasing you since for some years.
Very nice.
I have been chasing
you.
Yeah.
Have been chasing you. Okay, very nice. मुझे भूतों से डर नहीं लगता है. Whose turn?
Paramita ma'am.
प्रतिमा मैम.
Sorry, Pratima ma'am.
हाँ मैम, प्लीज.
सर सेंटेंस क्या है?
मुझे भूतों से डर नहीं लगता है, ये सेंटेंस है.
सर भूत,
घोस्ट.
घोस्ट हो, सॉरी. आई एम नॉट स्कैर्ड टू घोस्ट.
आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड टू घोस्ट. अफ्रेड ऑफ घोस्ट होगा ना. आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ घोस्ट. ओके, गुड मैम. तो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, मैं चाह के भी उससे मिल ना सका.
आई वांट टू मीट.
नो,
It's my
सुमिता मैम.
turn.
हाँ,
Yes,
एक सेंटेंस
it's
बोलना
my
है
turn.
सबको.
Okay,
हाँ,
okay,
यस.
Yes. Again, sir. Pardon.
मैं चाह कर भी उससे मिल ना सका.
I could not meet, but I went.
इसका फर्स्ट ठीक है. आई कुडंट मीट हिम या हर इफ आई वांट.
Yet I could not him, but I
आई
can't.
कुडंट.
I could
No.
not meet.
नो, कुडंट मीट तो ये होगा, बट सेकंड
Yes.
वाला नहीं होगा ये. इफ आई वांटेड टू. आई कुडंट मीट हिम
Fine.
इफ आई वांटेड टू.
Okay.
मतलब
If
मैं
I wanted,
हाँ, मैं चाहता था बट मैं नहीं मिल सका.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Sir, can we say like this? I supposed to meet her, but I didn't.
हाँ, मुझे, हाँ, that is very good word. I was supposed to meet her but I couldn't.
I couldn't. Okay.
हाँ, I was supposed to meet her. Very nice. Please clap for Sarita ma'am this point. हाँ, and let her go to over the moon.
I'm already clapping.
Okay, so next sentence है, कृपया आप मुझे कार चलाने में मेरी मदद करोगे?
Would you please like to help me in driving the car?
Wow, very nice. It is good sentence. So next sentence है, उधर देखो कोई तो है.
Human man.
Yes,
हाँ.
you see another side, because any person is leave. One person leave. Yeah.
You look there.
There.
You look there. Someone is standing या someone is there.
Oh, someone in there. Okay, sir. Good.
Someone is there. In नहीं मैम. Someone is there.
Someone is there. Okay, is there.
हाँ, okay. So next sentence है, मोदी के आते ही सब लोग एक डिसिप्लिन में खड़े हो गए. मोदी जी के आते ही सब लोग डिसिप्लिन में खड़े हो गए.
Okay, everyone stand undisciplined after came Modi ji.
After reached मोदी जी या after arrived. हाँ, कम भी ठीक है. Arrived ठीक रहेगा.
Arrived is based.
Okay, good sir, nice.
Okay.
So next sentence है, okay, so क्या आप मुझे एक ग्लास पानी का देंगे?
It's my turn.
हाँ,
Sentence कैसे?
क्या आप मुझे एक ग्लास पानी का देंगे?
Do you some drink a water?
Can you please get me a glass? Will you, can you भी यूज कर सकते हैं, will you भी बोल सकते हैं, बट अगर आप प्रोफेशन में हो, कहीं ऑफिस में हो, तो will you यूज करेगा. will you please get me a glass of water, या फिर आप फ्रेंड सर्किल में है तो कैन यू बोल सकते हैं, कैन यू प्लीज गेट मी a glass of water.
Okay, sir. Can you please give me one glass water?
हाँ, ये भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है, चलेगा. सो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से ही कुछ खाया था. सुमिता मैम.
Yes.
मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से कुछ खाया.
Yes. खाया.
हाँ, खाया.
I was.
I hardly ate.
I hardly ate something.
Yeah, nice, very nice. Okay, next sentence है, तुम जितना जल्दी हो सको बस स्टेशन पर पहुंच जाओ. सुमित सटन.
After Suman ma'am. No?
ओके, सरिता मैम.
No, Sarita ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay. क्या था सर? Please, could you please repeat?
ओके, तुम जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी बस स्टेशन पर पहुंच जाओ.
अच्छा. You come to bus station as soon as possible.
You reached to the first station as soon as possible. Okay, nice, ma'am. Next sentence है तुम यहीं रहना जब तक मैं नहीं आऊं. सुमन मैम, until का यूज कीजिए और फिर बनाइए.
ओके, यू until meaning सर क्या होगा?
जब तक नहीं, जब तक
हाँ.
नहीं.
You live until when you not came.
क्या मैम ये मतलब सेंटेंस समझ नहीं आया कुछ, वापस बनाइए.
Sir, you could repeat in.
ओके, तुम यहाँ वेट करो जब तक मैं नहीं आऊं.
You live until I not return there.
You wait here until I am coming या until I am back.
Okay, until I'm back. Okay, sir.
हाँ. Okay, so time is over and we have done good practice for today. I hope you enjoy the today's session. So let me stop recording.